finally get to have my morning coffee. So I'm on my way to the doctor's office right now. The way that my doctor's office has it set up is that whenever you have your physical the week prior to that date, you have your lab work, your blood work, and you can just show up anytime between 8 and 12. I always tell myself I'm going to get there at 8 so that I can get in and get out, but it's 8:15 right now because I'm always late. So I just got done. It's 9:05. I had to wait probably about 20 or 30 minutes before getting called back to get my blood work done. She had to stick both of my arms. Started with the left arm because I am right-handed, so I figured why not get the blood drawn in the left arm. And for whatever reason, she said the vein felt good. She stuck it and no blood was coming out. I didn't really drink a lot of water this morning. Maybe that has something to do with it. I finally get to have my morning coffee. And it's still warm. I like to just put a splash of cream, no sugar, and I just love it. I look forward to this in the mornings. I love it when I get to have the time to sit down and drink it and just take a moment of quiet time in the morning. That's when I wake up earlier and have more time. Walking from the parking deck to my office. Just got to the Athens, Clark County Jail. I have a few clients to see. I have to see 3 clients today, just to touch base with them and everything. And then after that, I have to go to the Oconee County Jail to see 2 clients over there. Got court in Oconee County tomorrow, and it's about 2:30 right now. So hopefully I'll be done with the Athens jail, seeing my clients hopefully by 3:30, so I can make it to the Oconee County Jail, and then that should wrap it up. Besides probably checking some emails later on this afternoon, that should wrap it up for my Monday today. So it's 2:34. I didn't get to see my 3 clients at the Athens jail. Apparently the system is down, and so usually with COVID as well as pre-COVID, if you were just going in to talk to your client and didn't need anything signed and were just checking in like I plan to do today, we would do video visits. And with the system down, they can only do in person with there's a glass place where a glass window to where you can talk to each other either on the phone or you can actually hear through it. So it's not really in person, but it's face to face. And so they only have about 6 of those rooms, and right now the jail visitations from 1 to 4 during the week. So right now there's attorneys and probably whoever else in their meeting, and all the booths were full. So I said I'll come back probably tomorrow morning to see them. Hopefully their system's back up. But now going to the Oconee County Jail. Just got done seeing my 2 clients in Oconee County. It's 4 o'clock. I'm about to leave the Oconee County Jail. The way that they have their visits set up for attorney visits, they don't have essentially confidential video visitation here. Usually the video visitation is set up for the public, so the attorney has a one there's a room here for attorney visits and private confidential visits. And there's only one room here because the Coney County Jail probably only has about 20 people ever in it. Obviously, it's a smaller county than Athens, but yeah, they never have probably more than 20 people in their jail. And the people that are in their jail probably aren't there super long either. Headed to Coney County. I just ate lunch. I usually wait till about 1 or so to eat lunch, but court starts at 12:15. It's about 11:50 right now. I've realized lately that I like to put in a stick of sugar-free gum after eating lunch. I don't know if that's because with the mask on, you smell everything that you just ate. I need to call, have a meeting. Just got done with court in Coney. It's 1:48 p.m. I had 2 clients on the calendar today, and everything went pretty smoothly. I didn't have any major arguments to make. The ADA, the assistant district attorney, who was in agreement with what our resolutions, what we wanted, I guess you should say, or proposed resolutions for my clients' cases. The judge essentially, for the most part, accepted them, and so the clients were happy. Now, while we at a red light, can we talk about my skin? I've been feeling this no makeup look lately. I do have on a little bit of mascara, but yeah, I feel like my skin has been glowing. So today is Wednesday, April 21st. Today is actually my grandfather's birthday. He would be 91 today. It was significant to me because 2015 is when I graduated law school, and graduation was May 2015 and Grandpa my high school graduation, my college graduation from West Virginia, and you know he's about to get in that van and drive down to Georgia, because you couldn't get him on a plane, to drive down to Georgia for my law school graduation. Happy birthday to my grandpa. It's about 9:15 right now. I am headed into the office. I don't have court today, and I plan to make some phone calls because I do have court next week. So make some phone calls and plan for court next week and make sure all my clients are good to go. I feel like this is supposed to be a vlog of Lawyer Lady, you know, a day in the life of a public defender, of me, you know, doing what I do. But it might be a little bit of a car vlog, and only because of that is because obviously confidentiality. So y'all gonna have to just deal with this car vlog, okay? Doing a glute quad burner. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm a little bit behind schedule, but I like coming in this room because there's no one in here. Now, if you're in Athens, don't be trying to come to Crunch in the morning and take my space. No, I'm kidding. So it's 5:02. I just got home from work. I spent literally the entire day in the office today. Talked on the phone for like an hour and a half with an alleged victim in one of my cases, and just basically updating files. I have some court coming up in May, the first week of May. So getting my clients ready for that, setting up meetings with them at the office for them to come in and meet with me and review their case. And I chug basically all my water. It's only 5 o'clock and I'm at the 7 p.m. mark. Like, I was trying to survive and maintain and stay the entire day. And I ate my lunch at like 12 on the dot, and I'm starving right now. I'm about to walk cold and tear this dinner up, okay? I just signed up to get my COVID vaccine tomorrow. Thursday, April 22nd at 10:05 in the morning is the first dose, and the second dose will be Thursday, May 13th. I'm mad that I had to break out this winter coat in April, but I don't like being cold, and we're supposed to meet for book club today, and I don't know if we're gonna be sitting inside or outside, so I'm ready. I'd rather have too much layers than not enough. But I'm about to go and go to my office. It's 8:45. Go to my office, print out this consent form so I can make it to the east side and be early and on time or early. They said be there 15 minutes early for your COVID vaccine, so I can make it to Walgreens early enough for the vaccine. So I'm in Walgreens and I get here 9:45 early on time. They said be here 15 minutes early. And then the form that they have with the email and confirmation is missing a question, and so you have to fill out the whole form again. So I just left the Classic Center watching one of my coworkers, the closing arguments in a case where the client is charged with murder. And they're now waiting for the jury to deliberate. And I like to go and watch other lawyers, especially people from my office, do trials and everything, because everyone has a different style. And I like seeing, learning, getting ideas on things to say in my closing arguments, points to make, different ways to deliver a certain message to jurors, because I love jury trials. And that's one of the things I love about being a public defender and a defense attorney, but a public defender in general, because we get so many cases and we are usually the only person left in our clients' lives sometimes that we're the person that's actually listening to them and their side of the story. And we're sometimes the last person or the last opportunity that they have, to protect their rights and their liberty. And one thing that I love about being a public defender is the ability to go to a jury trial. It's very, very scary sometimes. You get really nervous. Don't want to let your clients down because, their liberty's on the line and their life essentially. But that is why I do like to watch other coworkers and other attorneys do trials and everything and make their arguments and see how their styles in court. And so I'm leaving there now. And so today was not really productive at all. But I'll try again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I just want to say that I'm super proud of myself. I'm always self-conscious carrying my phone around in public. People probably looking at me like, what is this girl doing? But I just completed recording 12 full workouts, upper body, core, lower body, warm-ups, as well as cool down and stretches. I did that. So proud of myself. Forgot that I was out of coffee creamer at home, so I am now waiting at Starbucks for a medium coffee with cream and an espresso shot, because why not? Happy Sunday! I am headed to church right now. I'm gonna be earlier on time. It is 8:25 on Sunday morning. The sun is shining, and I just woke up in a great mood. Like, I think I had such great sleep that I probably haven't had for a whole week or so. I go to bed and I get my 7 hours to 8 hours of sleep, but maybe I'm not sleeping very well. But last night I slept great. I woke up 1 minute before my alarm, had time to get ready this morning without rushing, and I'm just looking forward to a great word, a great church service.